we have here? Looks like a little Losi, some 3D printed parts. Looks like 2S. See how she works. Oh wow. Looks like we already spun a hex, or what do we got going on here? Doop-a-doo-boo-boo. So she likes to be tight. She likes to be tight. Okay. That's why we got some receivers. Oh wow, this thing is agility, oh my. Oh no, what did we do? It kind of looks like we broke it really bad. Yeah, okay guys, remember how I said it appeared to be 3D printed? Well, let's just say the 3D printing was not strong enough. I didn't have high hopes for this thing, but I wanted to see if the concept would work. And honestly, it fucking worked for a while. Well, thanks for watching.